Welcome your next performer to the stage. Put your hands together for my cowgirl, Olivia! Gerard, you're up next. Justice after that. Shikari. And then Tasha O'Hara. Yo, 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 yo. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot because I'm wild. But you not. This is why.
My name is Olivia, and I own a holistic healing studio in Scottsdale, Arizona. You can find it under Only Love Studio on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram under Live, L-I-V, Only Love. Live, Only Love. And this is a piece that I wrote called High Maintenance. I'm high maintenance if being high maintenance means handle with care. I'm high maintenance if high maintenance means, yeah, I'm definitely gonna make you go there. Go deep, go low, go all the way in. Get raw, get real, and oh, baby, we're only just beginning. I'm high maintenance if being high maintenance means a high degree of delicate and nuanced attention must be paid. And not just to me, but to you, to them, to all of the above and below. Feeling all of your feelings, giving absolutely every single fuck. Because the more we separate and detach and give up, the more we lose the magic of giving in. Giving in to our desires, giving in to our pain. It's high time that we fall all the way into ourselves and in essence, each other. It's high time that being high maintenance gets replaced with deliberate, subtle, detailed. The detail of our responses, the detail of our senses, the seemingly inconsequential yet absolutely pivotal details of the human experience. Becoming disciplined in the art of fluidity and availability so that our warm and cozy rigidity can eventually evolve into serendipity. And in those fine lines, that wave that we ride from ebb to flow, we learn to maintain a heightened attention to the intelligence that is our emotion, our energy in motion. Yes, I'm high maintenance. Yeah.